Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, ayan, dahil weekend ngayon guys, pasensyahan nyo na itsura ko. Katapos ko lang mag-exercise. So, dahil weekend ngayon, and ang tagal na natin hindi nag-unbox ng video. Unboxing video. Kaya mag-unbox tayo ng PR package na na-receive ko from MEDIPLAST. Ayan. So, I think these are masks. Pero din sila mga panadalang mask kay Arya. So, ayan. Actually, sandali. Kapagod. Ayan, so lagay ko kayo here. Ayan, so pagpasensyahan nyo niya, medyo mukha akong basahan kasi kakatapos ka lang po mag-exercise. Pasensya na sa lahat ng mga background noises. Arya's here. I'm cooking. Lahat na ng noise meron dito sa bahay na ito. Dahil nga weekend ngayon. So anyway, ito yung i-unbox nating package. So this is from MEDIPLAST. Actually, sobrang tagal na nitong package na to sa akin. I think mga around January pa ata. But because I was working with another brand, I couldn't really, post about this. Pero finally, ayan, okay na. Mapopost ko na siya. Ito na unboxing video natin. And these are the, what do you call this nga? Yung mga mask. The copper mask. Ayan. So, these are copper mask. So, thank you so much, MEDIPLAST. And then, meron din silang mga pinadalang mask for Arya. Ayun, nilagay ko na sa cabinet. Ayan. So, eto. Ayan, sige. So, unbox na natin siya. Kasi ang laki ng box niya. Tsaka, guys, mabigat siya, ha. Unboxing tayo, tapos magchika-chika tayo. So, anyway, ayan, nakaharap siya sa, sa cling wrap, I think. Anyway, ayan, pasensya na kayo, hindi ako masyado nag-upload ng video ha, kasi tinapos ko talaga yung homeschooling namin ni Arya. Finally, tapos na. We are just waiting for Arya's moving up. So, Arya's going to be a grade 2 next school year. No? Yes? Ayan. Andyan siya, kumakain siyang breakfast. Ayan, so, she's gonna be a grade 2. Yeah, soon. And naghahanap ako ng mga schools na, hindi, actually, may nahanap naman ako. Ayun, so yun yung isang, kung bakit, ang daming plastic. Kung bakit hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado. And then, nakikita nyo naman, pag nagpa-vlog ako, diba, minsan puro to ko lang sa cyberbacker, tsaka sa mga available na work namin dito. Ayan. So, well, ayun. Tapos, dami kong ginagawa, eh. And anyway, ayan. Marami tayong nakapila, actually, na brand sponsorship and collabs here sa channel ko. Ini-schedule ko lang po siya, guys. Pensya na. Ayan! So, thank you so much. Basahin natin yung letter. Dear Rookie Mommy, while face masks are now part of our daily essentials, it's hard to find ones that suit our active lifestyle. Good thing MEDIPLAST now offers face masks that let you enjoy your day no matter how hectic it is. Okay, anong meron sa face mask na to, no? New MEDIPLAST copper mask are comfortable, available in small, medium, large. May ganun pala, may sizes pala ang mask, Yung mga nabibili ko kasi sa Shopee, yun. Wala, parang regular lang naman. And made with deodorizer for breathability. Protection has 99.9% antibacterial properties against Maskne. Ayan, na-experience ba yun? Actually, meron ako eh. Ayan o, diba pag lagi tayo nagmamask, or hindi ko alam kung ako lang, pero nagkakaroon kayo ng mga pimples, no, kung saan nakapatong yung mask. Water repellent materials, against droplet transmission, and 5 times UV protection rate. Style designed in South Korea, o social. And comes in 5 colors, so you have black, white, pink, yellow, and blue. I think white to. Nakalagay white. May typo lang. Ayan. So, these copper masks are available in Mercury Drugs and Lander Supermarket nationwide and online via Phil USA online store. Ayan. So, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung yung mga stuff. Ayan. So, these are the masks. Ay, shit! Ay! Sorry. Ayan. So, ito siya. Tapos, meron siyang pull up here. So, hard to breathe. How hard to breathe?
What is that?
Teka lang, mag-ano nga tayo, guys. Thumbnail. Yan. So, anyway, ito siya. Tapos, meron siyang, how do you open this? Meron siyang pull out. Joke. Oh, kasi itong isa, Dito yung Maskne. Tapos ito, happy na siya, yung girl. Kasi, nakaganon na, oh. Sabihin, masaya na siya. Okay. How do we open this? So, meron siyang drawer here. Nakabahan ako, baka masira. Tada! Ayan. Ano? Ang daming. Sandali. Stay there, Arya, ha? You're not wearing, pajama. Diyan ka lang. Yay! Ah! Ayan. So, here are the copper mask. Tingnan natin. Ay, ang cute. Ganito pala yung itsura niya.
Mommy, is this cute?
Let's open. So, we have here. Teka, tanggalin ko muna yung mga guys. Tanggalin ko yung mga mask.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Ayan. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. Okay. Para talaga siyang yung mga nakita ko sa Korea. MEDIPLAST 30-day copper mask, 99.9% antibacterial. So, ito yung sinasabi ko mga benefits niya, guys. Ayan. So, nakalagay dito, water repellent, hypoallergenic, 5 times UV protection, reusable up to 30 washes, tsaka comfortable. Meron tayong small, large, tsaka medium. Ayan, so tatlong sizes. So, meron ako ng white color, black color, blue. We have blue. Pink, we also have pink here. Yellow, meron ding yellow.
My favorite color.
Ayan, side comments niya rin. Ayan, pero, let's open one and then,
Can I have the pink compliment?
okay, wait, sandali. Okay, so meron tayo ng small. Yan. Ay. Okay. So, we have here. Okay, so this is the MEDIPLAST copper mask na small. Ganito yung niya. Parang tela siya. Tela, ganyan, oh. Okay. Yan. How does this work? Oh, meron siyang kakaibang amoy. I'm not sure if na-stuck lang siya or something. Ayan. It's very comfy kasi nga tela siya, tela. I'm not really sure paano naging copper ito or wala siyang wala siyang filter. Or I'm not sure kung merong filter sa loob. Pero dito sa loob may mga lines lang siya na dire-diretso. Ayan, tapos makikita niyo rito, lang siya, naka-tahi. And then, the branding MEDIPLAST. Ayan. Ayan. So, ganyan. Like for me, though, baka mas okay sa akin na baka papatungan ko pa to. I'm not really sure. Pero, parang hindi ako medyo convinced na siya, na nakaka-filter, So, instructions lang pala on washing this product is you have to hand wash it, do not bleach, air dry, at saka pwedeng air dry din, pwedeng machine dry. So, lukewarm water lang din and neutral detergent ang pwedeng gamitin. Wash the copper mask once per day. Ayan, so kung gagamitin nyo siya, kailangan hugasan nyo rin siya within the day, up to 30 washes. So, technically, if you wear it every day, 30 washes, hindi good for 30 days na siya. Quality, okay, sige. Alika, Arya, come to mami. Sit. Yeah! Hi! Say hi! Ayan. So, let's try. Kaya lang. Gano'n ba? Kasha! Kasha, kaya lang maluwag. Oh, say hi!
Hi!
Ayan. Okay, can you show it, Sio? So, this is the small size. Hindi siya masikip dito. Actually, kasya siya. So, pwede itong pang bata. Kasi stretchable din siya here.
It's so cute.
Do you like the pink color?
Yes.
Do you smell anything?
Yeah.
What do you smell?
Smell like fruits.
Fruit?
Yep.
Parang hindi naman. Sa akin parang bakal lang. O, sige. Ay, gimme. Okay. Sige. O, go back there. Finish your apple.
And I can go down.
Ayan! Anyway, ano pa yung meron? So, thank you so much. Ayan. Sige, goods yan. Ako, matutuwa asawa ko. Ano pa yung meron sa box? So, meron tayong makeup remover. Makeup remover from Clean. Ayan. Makeup remover and cleansing, cleansing wipe. So, this one, it has vitamin C. And then, we also have here, tea tree. Ayan. So, we have to, ako lang ba yung addict sa mga wet wipes? Guys, sabi ko na, diba, sa lahat ng mga video ko before na unboxing, travel, ganyan, lahat ng bag ko merong wet wipes. Hindi pwedeng wala. Ayan. Tapos, meron din siyang micellar water. Nakakatuwa naman lahat nakalagay made in Korea. Then, what else do we have here? We also, alcohol ata ito. Hand sanitizer spray. Thank you so much! So, we have hand sanitizer spray. So, meron tayo green tea? Green air, zest scent, at saka citrusy. Or feeling ko magiging gusto ko tong blue one. Ayan. So, cute kasi it's good for travel.
Is it cute?
Yes. So, this is going to be good for traveling. So, sa lahat ng bag ko, again, meron na naman here. Ay, ano to? I think, lalagyan na ng mask. Ayan. So, we also have here, I don't know, mask pack. Ayan. So, dito ko ilalagay yung, tama ba? Ayan. Pwede mo dito ilagay yung copper mask. Ayan. Here. Good for 30 days. So, okay siya sa akin kasi alam nyo, yung malaking difference naman nito versus dun sa mga, yung sa regular mask na ginagamit natin, wala siyang bakal. Tapos, reusable siya, no? So, technically, it's earth-friendly. And then, pwede ko siyang ilagay kahit saan. Ayan, ilagay ko lang siya dyan. Nang hindi masisira yung bakal or anything, ganyan. There. Close ko lang siya. And then, ilagay ko na sa bag. Diba? Nakakatuwa. Ayan. So, there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And thank you so much, MEDIPLAST, for sending us your copper mask. Ayan. So, guys, if you're looking for a reusable mask, you definitely check out the MEDIPLAST 30-day copper mask in Mercury Drugs. Ayan. Tsaka, ilalagay ko na lang dun sa description box below. And then also, guys, please stay tuned. We will be doing a lot of unboxing videos. I promise, iniipon ko lang yung mga package ko. Please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos to come. So again, Arya, let's go. Let's say goodbye.
Next?
What's next? Let's say goodbye. Bye! See you soon!